Ultherapy treatments and results. How many Ultherapy treatments are needed for optimal results? In this video, we'll discuss a common question among those considering Ultherapy for skin tightening and lifting. How many treatments are needed to achieve the best results? Understanding the treatment process and what to expect can help you plan your journey toward achieving a fresher, more youthful appearance. Let's explore the factors that determine the number of Ultherapy sessions you may need. Number 1. Initial assessment. The first step in determining how many Ultherapy treatments you will need is a thorough assessment by a qualified provider. During this consultation, your skin's condition, degree of laxity, your overall health, and your aesthetic goals will be evaluated. This initial assessment is crucial because it helps tailor the treatment plan to your specific needs. Number 2. Single treatment effectiveness. For many patients, a single Ultherapy session is sufficient to achieve noticeable results. Ultherapy is particularly effective because it triggers natural collagen production, which continues to improve skin elasticity and firmness over the following months. The full effects of the treatment are usually visible within 2 to 3 months as the body gradually forms new collagen. Number 3. Factors influencing treatment frequency. While one treatment can offer significant improvements, some factors might lead to the recommendation of additional sessions. Age. Older patients with more pronounced skin laxity might require more than one session to achieve desired results. Skin condition. Individuals with significant sun damage or naturally less collagen may benefit from multiple treatments. Desired outcomes. Patients seeking more dramatic changes may opt for additional sessions to enhance the lifting and tightening effects. Number 4. Maintenance treatments. After achieving the desired outcome, some patients choose to have maintenance Ultherapy treatments. The timing of these follow-up sessions varies, but typically occurs every 12 to 24 months. These treatments help sustain the skin's youthful appearance by countering the ongoing natural aging process. Number 5. Personalized treatment plans. It's important to note that Ultherapy treatment plans are highly personalized. Your provider will recommend the best approach based on how your skin responds to the initial treatment and your long-term aesthetic goals. Regular follow-up visits are essential to monitor progress and make adjustments to the treatment plan as needed. In summary, most patients find that one Ultherapy treatment provides satisfactory results, with the option of additional sessions for enhanced or maintained effects. The key to a successful Ultherapy treatment lies in a personalized approach, starting with a detailed consultation to ensure that the treatment plan meets your specific needs and expectations. If you're considering Ultherapy and wondering how many treatments you might need, the best next step is to schedule a consultation so we can provide you with a customized assessment and help you understand what to expect, ensuring that your treatment journey is both effective and satisfying.